I will share my reflection about my English course this semester. I will talk about my speak performance on interesting chapter and my learning experience. When I started preparing my speech, I felt unsure. I was worried about my pronunciation and I was afraid of making mistakes. The hardest part for me was speaking without reading the script. Sometimes I spoke too fast and I had difficulty keeping eye contact, but after practicing several times, I learned a lot. I learned how to organize my ideas, speak more clearly, and control my nervousness. The moment that made me proud was when I delivered my speech puzzle until the end. I still made small mistakes, but I called my improvement and then made me happy. The chapter that I found most interesting this semester was chapter 3, Mouth and Nose. This chapter really caught my attention because it introduced new vocabulary related to the human body, especially part of the mouth and nose, such as lips, gums, tongues, nostril, and so on. At first, the vocabulary seemed simple, but when we learned the medical term and pronunciation, I realized how important these words are in real situations. For example, as someone who is studying in the healthcare field, I will meet patient or customer who describe symptoms like my nose is bleeding or my gum hurt when I brush my teeth. Understanding this term helped me communicate more easily and professionally. What made this chapter meaningful for me is not just the vocabulary, but the context. The lessons were related to daily conversation in a healthcare setting. I learned how to ask questions like, "Do you feel fine inside your mouth?" or "whispered heart." This is useful for my future profession as a pharmacist. In the future, if a patient comes to the pharmacy and explain their symptoms, I need to understand what they mean. This also need to explain intrusion or medication used in a simple and clear way. Being able to use English correctly will help me communicate not only with patients, but also with doctors, childcare in international research cases. Before learning this chapter, I only know basic everyday English, but now I can describe medical terms more confidently. I feel like this chapter prepares me for real-life situations, not just for exam. This chapter also helped me improve my pronunciation. Some words were difficult at first, but with practice, I become more confident. Learning terms related to healthcare makes me more motivated to study English. Thank you for watching my reflection video. This course helped me grow and I am proud my progress. See you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.